Hi, my name is Sheilann. I live here with my husband and our daughter. I'm a preschool teacher and I opened my own school last year. I have always loved interior design. I remember shopping for furniture with my mother as a child and it was one of my favourite things to do. She has a real eye for detail and I think that's where I got my passion for interiors. A lot of the inspiration for the design of this house came from Instagram, Pinterest, magazines. I am the youngest of 5 girls, so all of my sisters have built homes or renovated homes before me, and I took a lot of inspiration from them and stole a lot of their ideas that seemed to work. In designing this room, I really wanted to create a sense of calm, and my choice of green for the bedding and for the paint here helps to do this. I first heard about Material World on Instagram, and it was their great selection of choices and their quality of fabric that really drew me in. It's really easy to order the samples online, and this allowed me to spend time comparing the fabric options in the comfort of my own home. The customer service was excellent. Their website is really easy to use and they have such a large selection of fabrics and colour options that there's just something for everybody. My best advice would be to choose a neutral colour window dressing so as to not limit your choices with the other furnishings and textiles within the room. I'd really recommend Material World for someone like me who wouldn't have a lot of experience in dressing windows, this being my first home, but Material World really pointed me in the right direction and their quality and choice of fabrics was second to none.